Hello everybody, it's your boy Sleepy Jester, and today I'm going to be doing my first ever unboxing video. Hold on, let me just put down the camera a bit so you can see it. So we've got here a Rick and Morty action figure, more Rick and Morty things coming soon on my channel. And we've got a YouTuber's item. So let's get started. First, I think we're gonna open the YouTuber item because I really like this one. So here we've got the Spy Ninja kit from CWC or Chadwell Clay. Oh, there's a little tape here. Let me take that off. Oh, let's. There you go. Sorry, it's my first unboxing video. I don't know how to really do unboxing videos, but let's open this. Oh, okay. So there is two. I think I've got the one with the mask. But here we have got the top secret certificate. I don't know if that will pick it up, but we got a certificate. I'll put that right there. We've got a top secret envelope, which I can trust you guys, so I'm gonna. Oh, wait, no, that's actually really secret. Okay, can't show you guys. Sorry. Oh, we got the new mask. Oh, that feels really nice. Oh, that feels really nice. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. You've got well, it doesn't go batteries in it. Well, you've got the voice morpher, which you can play voices and things like that. You can record. And I really like this. If I haven't said that already, I've got two pencils, which I don't want to take out right now. We lift it up. We've got a packet. We've got a Project. I don't know if you can see this. Project Zorgo, like keycard, decoder. We got. I think it's a leaflet, and then we've got. That's really it for the Spy Ninja kit. I'll put all of this back in here. Just put this all here. Oh, by the way, I'll link the channel in the description if you want to have a look at some of the merch. My little brother Charlie, you know him from other videos, watches them all the time, and I watch them with him, and they're quite good. So there we go, Spy Ninjas. So that's all for the Spy Ninja Recruit Mission Kit. Oh, I forgot the voice morpher. Hold up, I'll be right back. Right, I gotta talk. Okay, so then the next thing we have is an action figure. We have the. I don't think you can see that, but I'll zoom in a second. We got the Morty action figure. Includes Snowball's left arm. Quite nice. I really like this box. I really do not want to just rip it up, but for the vids, I'll do it. Alright. Let me just open this. Awesome doing this. How's your day going? Going good? I hope it is. Oh, I just ripped the bar. Oh god. Oh, this hurts. This hurts to watch. Oh, okay. I got out. Alright, you ready, guys? Alright. Oh, the figure just fell out. Okay. Well, first, let's review the items that he came. Oh, sorry, fell. So he came with the little laser rifle. Pew pew. You can really just like put it in Rick's hand or something. Like, oh, if I look at the back, you can put it in Snowball's. You can put it really in anybody's hand, and then it'll be like they're shooting somebody or pew pewing somebody. So I like that. No. Count again. I almost fell. Oh god. Okay. So then we've got Snowball's right arm. No, it's left arm. Snowball's left arm. I haven't bought any more figures, but I'll probably buy Mr. Meeseeks next so I can get. I think that will come with Snowball's leg or something. But I'm not going to. But you could probably switch out Morty's arm for Snowball's arm, and then it can be like just robotic Morty. But yeah, we got Snowball's left arm, and then we got the actual figure. I really love the details on this. I'm a huge Rick and Morty fan. I have watched Rick and Morty. I've seen some VR videos. I've played the game Pocket Mortys, and having this figure in my hand is just amazing. The shirt is nice and shiny. It's like a different material to the head. The eyes, I think, the eyes are the same material. But I don't know if you definitely can't feel this, but his hair is like really weird. His face and his arms and legs and everything else is the same material as the shirt, but the hair is like really weird. I really like this. You can like pose him. You can like put the pew pew rifle in his hand, and you can go stick him up. I don't know if you can see that lights. I'll try and. You definitely can't see that. Well. There we go. We got Rick and Morty figure. So that concludes the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed recording it. Like and subscribe for more Rick and Morty and plush videos. Also, go check out some of my other videos. And don't forget, stay sleepy. Bye-bye.